Get it, Jeep. Lou's like, I'm not going to let you get it. I'm going to beat you.
She's like, I don't care if you're older than me. I'm dominant.
Cano, what are your kids doing? What are your kids doing? You want that ball, don't you? Do you want that ball? You can't have it.
He's like, yeah.
You'll swallow it. Gulp. One swallow.
Why don't you have this ball? I mean, it doesn't squeak, but it's just as good. Buddy.
She's going crazy.
What is up with her tonight? She's like getting out there.
It's awesome.
Jeet's going over into the potty area.
Good boy, Jeet.
A few of them were sleeping in the barrel earlier.
I know, I took a picture of it.
2 of them actually got in there.